VUZI stock analysis and VUZI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Vuzix stock. It's just south of $3, yeah, 5% down. So where are we heading next? Context, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors that take me 4 years to figure out. So you don't have to go through all the struggle and pretty much resources of your own. I'm going to show you my perception of this. This is obviously not financial advice, and it's just my 2 cents. Generally speaking, like you can see, this looks very, very bullish, and I understand, but what I'm not going to do is randomly just start getting involved here, you know, and just start buying like a madman. No, ideally, I would like to see like a little pull down and then see if this double break gets met, you know, then take it up. But like other than that, everything else is noise. And other people are just overcomplicating stuff like this, but they're not even patient enough to wait for that shift to happen. And I'm going to be sitting here, you know, checking other ticker symbols, but mainly focusing on this as well. So not mainly because I'm not in a trade, but like having a glance here and there. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce there.